To add keyboard language on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go into the system. From here, you can find this keyboard and input method. So let's go in here and then go into the manage keyboards. From here, select the Gboard, and now you are in the keyboard settings, and right at the top you can find the languages. So let's tap on this one, and here simply press to add keyboard, and now you can find all of these different languages to add, and you can search for some language in this text box. So let's type in Spain, and let's select this one, and yeah, right here you can adjust a couple of more settings for this particular keyboard with this language, and yeah, simply press done, and here you have added the keyboard language right here. So that's how you can do this.